Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, we will explain Model 182, an informative declaration crucial for non-profit entities and their donors. Let's begin. To accomplish that, we will navigate to the website of the tax agency. If you do not know how to access the description, we will provide the link so you can easily reach the page. We click on Declaration Presentation Taxpayer Calendar, view all declarations by model, submit them, and check the submitted declarations for accuracy. We are currently in search of the Model 182, which is the form that we are going to complete or fill out in its entirety. Then we click on Model 182 Exercise 2002 Presentation up to 4,000 records. If we have a file, then we click on the file option. In this case, as we don't have a file, we choose this option. We ascend by using the certificate or electronic identification. If you do not have the electronic certificate, we will provide you with the link so that you can obtain it. We click on Ascend, Sign, and Done. We are already on the page without any further actions required. Once on the page, we start filling in the information. A notice appears stating that only donations meeting the legally established requirements should be included in this Model 182, meaning they must be voluntary and not involve a consideration for a good or service received. After entering the tax identification number 90 of the individual or company that received the declaration, we click on Continue, select the nature of the declarant, and 4 beneficiary entities appear: foundation, holder or administrator of a protected estate, and political parties or federations, coalitions, or groups. For our example, we will choose that we are a legally recognized foundation. We will select number 2 and click on Accept. Next, we need to fill in the name or business name of the declarant, the phone number of the person they relate to, the last name and first name, the person in charge, the nature of the declarant, and a summary of the data included in the declaration. These sections, the declarant and summary of the declaration, as well as the declared section, will be activated when we provide the necessary information. In total, there are 2 sections to complete for this declaration. The declarant and summary of the declaration are the ones we have already filled out, which are the data of the entity that received the donation. So we will now proceed to the second point, which is the donors, where we will provide information on all the individuals who made the donation and for which it will be deducted from the income tax obligation. Let's go to the section of records on the little sheet that is blank with a green cross to start filling in the declarants or the people who made the donations or associations or entities that have done so. We click, fill in the NIP of the declared, last name and first name or corporate name of the declared, the province code where this key is inactive, fill in the deduction percentage, in this case 10%. Let's indicate that it is the minimum percentage, the limit. We enter the amount or valuation, donation, which is the income or value of the donation, and for our case we will enter $5,000, fill in donation, contribution or provision in kind, then deduction for the autonomous community. We choose the autonomous community. It enables us to enter the deduction percentage. We enter 10% for our example. And here we choose if it was an entity under the attribution regime, an individual, a legal entity. We indicate that it is an individual for our example. And we have now filled in for this declarant, and for each declarant we fill in a little sheet. Let's validate the data. We see that there are no errors. The next step is to save, sign, and send. And done. We have already completed the Model 182.
For more information, remember to check our website and follow us on our social media platforms. You'll find the link in the description box below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with expert guidance on streamlining your paperwork, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel.